I'm gonna show how I can make a very big snowstorm in Lake Tahoe. So to do that, all I need is a piece of paper with my wish. My wish is right here. It says it will snow so much in Lake Tahoe, California, USA in the winter of 2019 that the city will never forget this winter. And all I do now is I bring this note to an icon of Jesus Christ that I have here. See this icon of Jesus Christ that I bought? It's a miracle working icon. So all I do, I bring this note to the icon. And let's see what happens in the winter of 2019 in Lake Tahoe now.